Okay. So hope everything is clear in chapter 3. Now we move on to chapter 4. Let me share my screen. Okay. So chapter 4, please listen carefully. Chapter 4 is very, very important. Okay. Listen carefully. You have chapter 4 here, control statements. Let's see what is control statements. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Listen carefully. So control statements are conditional statements. What is the meaning of a condition? Let me just give you one example. Okay. What is the meaning of a condition? Condition means what? Now, how many marks if you get you are pass? Like yeah, if marks greater than 50, it is you are pass or fail?
Pass.
Pass. Okay. So condition means what? Something, this is the condition. Now, if the mark is greater than 50, the student is pass, or else the student is fail. Okay, so condition is something which is going to check whether it is true or false. Okay, it is going to check whether the condition it is true or false. Either it is true or false. Either it is yes or no. Okay, so condition means what it is. It is just checking the thing whether it is true or false, whether it is yes or no. That is called the conditional. Okay, okay. Now you understand what is the meaning of condition? Condition is something it is just going to check. If the mark is greater than 50, the student will be pass. If the mark is less than 50, the student will be fail. So condition is mean like it is checking something, whether it is true or false. Okay. So next, let's see what are the conditional statements in C++. What are the statements we have in C++? Okay. Listen here. So in the conditional statement, we have 4 statements. Okay. So first thing is if statement. Okay. The first statement is if statement. Let us see how this if statement works. Okay. Actually, we have 4 conditional statement. First, we will see the if statement. Okay. What are the conditional statement? Here we have like 1 minute. Let me just. Okay. So we have 4 conditional statement: if statement, if else statement, if else if statement, and switch statement. Okay. First one is if else, if else, and switch statement. So let's see first how this if statement works. Please listen carefully, students. It's very, very important. Okay, let's see how if statement works. Okay. Statement is not given here. Okay, I will explain it. Okay. Now, let's see how this statement works. If statement, if condition, and statements are given. Statement 1, statement 2, and statement 3. So when it comes to if statement, okay, if this condition is true, if the condition is true, your answer will be, your output will be how the program executes. If the condition is true, the program, how the program executes, it just come inside the statement 1, statement 2, and then it comes out of the bracket statement 3, or it executes all the statements. Okay, so if statement, condition is true, what happens? It executes all the statements. Okay, all the statements like statement 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I'll give you example so that you will get an idea how it executes all the statement. Okay, listen. If so, okay, A is equal to 5. If A is greater than 3, C out A. C out A minus 1. Okay, so what does it mean here? Look at the statement. A is equal to, what is the value of A? Here I'm giving int, okay. Int A is equal to 5. Okay, A is equal to 5. If A greater than 3, C out A plus 1. So what will be the answer? How the statement works? If A greater than 3, condition is true or false. What is the value of A?
5.
What is the value of
5.
A? 5. 5 greater than 3. Condition is true or false?
True.
True. If statement, condition is true, it executes all the statement. So here how many statements are there? Statement 1, and outside the bracket we have one statement, statement 2. So if statement, what is the canon for if statement? If statement, condition is true, it executes all the statements. That is the rule. Okay. So if condition is true, so it executes all the statement. Statement 1 and 2. What is given here? Statement 1, C out A plus 1. So what is the value of A? What's the value of A?
5.
5. So 5 plus 1 becomes
6.
6. So the output will be 6. Okay. Now outside the bracket, what is given? A minus 1. What is the value of A?
4. 5.
5. 5 minus 1 becomes. So because there is no end L, it prints in the same line. So the answer will be 64. Understand? So this will be the output of the program. Got my point? What is if statement? If statement, condition is true, it executes all the statements. So condition is true here, so it executes all the statement. Let me give you one more example so that you will get a clear idea. Int sorry. Okay. Now listen carefully. Int A is equal to 10. If A, what is the value of A?
10.
10.
10 less than or equal to 10. True or false?
True.
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 What symbol is this one?
Or.
Or. Very good. A is 10. 10 greater than 12. It is
False.
false. But true or false? What will be the answer? True or false? It is
True.
true. So condition is true. If statement, condition is true. So what will be the output? It executes all the statements. So what is the statement given here? C out. What is given here?
Enjoy.
Given here? Enjoy. So enjoy. And it executes. I told you statement is true. If the condition true, it executes all the statements. So it executes this statement and the next statement. What is out of this bracket? See out the day. So what it will print? Enjoy the day. Understand how it works? If statement.
Yes.
So if statement condition is true, it executes all the statements. Okay. If you want to take screenshot, if you want to write, please do write it. Okay. So the output will be enjoy the day.
Okay, wait, miss.
Yeah. Before, please tell me. Okay. Before deleting. Maybe I will delete sometime. So just tell me if you are writing or you want to take screenshot. Please tell me. So this is about the if statement. If statement condition true, it executes all the statements. Okay. Are you writing or taking screenshot? Actually, I'm recording the video. Hope it will help you, the video.
Okay, miss, I take a photo.
Okay. I'm recording the video. Okay, so you can play it again and see. That's okay. Shall I give you another example?
Yes, miss.
So now you know what is if statement. If statement condition true, it executes all the statement. Now, what happens if this condition becomes false? Any idea? What happens if the condition becomes false? If the condition becomes false, what will happen? Just tell me now what will happen. Oops. What happens if the condition becomes false?
S1 will be false, S2 false, S3 false.
See, if condition is true, it executes all the statement. Okay. So when the condition becomes false, if statement condition becomes false, what happens? It will not execute, it will not come inside. It will skip this portion. It will skip this one. Okay. It is skipping this one and come out of this bracket. What is out of this bracket? That will be the output. Understand?
Yeah.
So the output will be outside this bracket. What the statement is there, that will be your output. Okay. So when the condition becomes false, it cannot go inside because the condition is false. So it skips out of this bracket and comes out what statement is there. That one will be your output. In case you don't have any statement here, then it gives no output. Okay. I'll give you one example so that you will understand now. Now listen. Int a is equal to 7. If a greater than or equal to 6. Let me put and. Same example. See out. Enjoy. See out. The day. Okay. Now tell me what will be the answer?
False.
A is 7.
Okay.
7
Oh,
less than or equal to 7. Condition is
true.
true. And 7 greater than 12. Condition is
False.
false. So true and false this.
True.
True and false.
True and false, false.
False, not or, okay, and. So if the condition is false, what happens? If statement, condition is false, what happens? It goes out, it skips the statement, right? It will not come inside the bracket. Inside this bracket, it will skip this portion and it comes only outside. What is given here?
The day.
The day. So it print only that day. This is your output of the program. Got my point?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Wait, I'll give you one more example. Okay, now tell me what will be the answer for this question? What is the value of B? B is equal to 0. Okay, so 0, what symbol is this one? Or not 1. 0 is true or false? 0 is?
Not 1.
0 is true or false?
True.
False, miss. False.
False. 0 means it is false. 1 means it is?
True.
True.
But what is given here? Not 1. That means not true. Not true becomes?
False.
False. So false or false. What happens? It is?
False.
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 So what will be the answer then? If statement, condition becomes false, what will be the output? What will be the output? It will skip this step, okay? It will not go inside, so it comes outside. What is given here? C out B. So what is the value of B?
0.
So what will be the output?
0.
Got my point? Listen
Yes.
carefully. If statement, condition is false, it will not execute, it will not go into the bracket, it skips and come outside the bracket. If statement, condition is true, it executes all the statements. Okay, this is the kanun for if statement. Is it clear for you now? If statement, do you all got some idea?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next comes the, shall we move on to the next statement, if else? Move on to the next statement, if else. Okay. Okay. Second one is if else statement. So if else statement, what happened in if else statement? Now if else statement, same way I'll explain to you. If condition, okay, here statements 1, statement 2, else you have statement 3. Any idea? Can you tell me how it may work? Any one of you? If statement, if else statement, condition is true, it executes which one? Statement 1 and statement 2. If else statement, what happens? If the condition is true, it executes only this bracket. It will not go to the next one. It will not execute all the statement. Okay, not like if. This is if else. That means if portion is only true means it will execute only until this bracket. What is this bracket? Open bracket and close bracket. What is inside? How many statements inside will be executed? Okay. If the condition is false, it executes which one? False. Else statement. Understand? False. Just
Yes.
one more thing you can keep it in your mind. False. SE. It executes what is there in the else statement. Okay, when the condition is false. When the condition is true, it executes what is there in the if statement. When the condition is false, it executes what is there in the else statement. Did you got some idea? If else statement? Okay.
Yes.
Let me give you example so that you will get a clear idea. Okay. Now, here int age is equal to 40 if age greater than 65. See out age plus 1. Else age minus 1. See out. Okay. What will be the answer? What is the value of age?
False.
40. 40 greater than 65. True or false? 40 is greater than 65. Condition is
False.
false. False means it will check whether this one or this one. Else. False. Else. SE. So it will check only the else
Yes.
portion. So what is given here? Age minus 1. What is age minus 1? 40 minus 1 becomes 30.
9.
9.
The output will be 39. Understand? Okay. Same way. Just look at this thing. Look at this. Int time is equal to 20. If time greater than 18, see out good day. Else see out good evening. Okay. What is the time? Time is equal to 20. Okay. So what is the value of time now? 20. 20 less than 18. True or false?
False.
False.
That means good evening.
That means else, so it will check the else part, it will be good evening. The output will be good evening. Understand? This is how it works. If it is true, what happened? True means what will be the answer? Only good day. Okay. So next, just give you one more example. Let's move on to the next one. Tell me. Welcome to CBC. What will be the output of this program? What is the value of A?
Welcome to CP.
Yeah.
1.
So now what will be the answer? It is if else statement. Okay. If else statement, Kanun. If condition is true, the output will be what is in this bracket. Condition false, what is there in the else bracket. Okay. So what is the value of A now? 1. 1 and not 0. 1 is true or false? 1 is true. True and not 0. Not 0 means it is true. So true and true becomes
True.
true. And what symbol is this? R. A is 1. 1 less than or equal to 1. Condition is true. So true or true becomes true. So if else statement condition is true, what will be the output?
Welcome.
What will be the output? Only welcome. Yes. If it is if statement, you will write welcome to SPC. If condition is true, If it is if statement, this is if else statement. So if else statement, condition is true, it executes what is there in the this if statement, if brackets. Condition is false, what is there in the else will be your output. Okay, this is the difference between if and if else. If statement, condition is true, executes all the statement. But condition false, it skips the if portion and comes out of the bracket. But if else statement, condition is true, it executes only this bracket, and condition false, it checks only the else portion. Clear about if and if else? Is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's move on to the third one, that is called the if else if. If else if else. Okay. For this, I'll just give you one small example so that it will be useful for you. You want to buy a new phone. Okay, so what you will do first? If you want to buy a new mobile phone. Okay, so what you will do first? What is your idea? What you will do first? Come on, tell me. You want to buy a new brand phone. What you will do?
Search.
You will search. Okay, so now we want to buy a brand new iPhone. Okay, so what is the brand new phone now in the market? It is iPhone 12. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now what you are doing, you are
Search
going
about its
to,
features.
okay, first thing you are going to what is that? Somebody is joining the class, I think. I don't know who's that. Mara, who's this? I don't know. Okay, so what I'm doing is, first you are going to one shop. The shop name is Emax. Okay, you are going to Emax, and then you are checking you are asking for the phone, and he is telling, okay, but you want iPhone 12, and your requirement is you want 256 GB. Okay, and you want silver color. But when you ask, they are telling you don't have silver color, sir. Only the black color is available. So will you buy the phone from the shop?
No.
No. So we'll go on to the next shop. Next shop may be Sharaf DG. Okay. So you go there and you ask them the phone. That the silver color is there, but you don't have 256 GB. Okay. They said no, it is not available. Now currently it is not in stock. You don't have 256 GB. So will you buy the phone from Sharaf DG? No. Right? You move on to the next shop. Next shop may be extra or something. Okay, extra. You go there and you see everything, but the phone is too expensive comparatively from other shop. It is expensive. Okay, the phone is more expensive. Will you buy the phone from the shop then? Will you buy if it is expensive?
Yes.
See, you have a budget of only 350 reals, but other shops they give offer like 285 or 280, but they are giving expensive. It is 255 or 265. Why you have to give extra money and buy from there? Instead, you can look for the other shop, right? So you move on to the next shop. Okay, next shop you are going and you are checking. For example, Lulu. Okay. So you are checking for the silver color, it is available, and you are looking for the 256 GB, it is available, and but the price of the product is also with the 350 GB. So everything is perfect. Then you can get the phone. Okay. So what you are doing, first you are going to one shop, everything is there, but what you want, it is not there. The silver color is not there. So you move on to the next shop. Then you ask, okay, everything is there, but 256 GB is not available, so you're not buying it. Next, you are going to another shop. You are checking. Everything is there, but it is more expensive comparatively to the other shop. So you're not buying it. Go to the next shop. So when you go to the other shop, you see everything is okay, and then you get your product. Okay, then you buy your phone. The same concept, you are going to use it in this if-else statement. Okay, same concept, how you are going to check in one shop. If it is there, you are buying. If it is not there, you are not going to buy the product. Okay, the same concept, we are going to use it in the if-else statement. Okay, just look at this thing. I'll show you here. Look at the example now. What happens here? What is the value of mark here? What is the value of mark? What is the value of mark? Come on. What is the value of mark? Int marks is equal to
64.
64. Okay. So if marks greater than 90, what is the value of mark now? 64. 64 greater than 90. Condition is true or false?
False.
False. That means what is the meaning? You are going to the shop, the condition becomes false. Okay, that means you don't like the product. So this is not your output. Okay, so it is not going to this bracket. And what happens? This is not your output. It goes back to the next shop. That was next condition. Okay, else if next condition. Marks 64. 64 greater than 60. Condition is true or false? Condition is true or false?
False and true. False.
False. 64 is not greater than 60. Condition become false. So what happens? Again, you are not going inside. You are not going to get the product and it's going to the next condition. That means it is going to the next shop. Okay. So next is 64 greater than 50. Condition is true or false?
True.
True. So if since here the condition is true, what will be the answer?
Average.
Average. Average will be your output. Okay. See, when it is true, you are buying your product. When you like everything, everything is satisfied, you are buying your product. Got my point?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay.
Miss,
Tell me.
why minus 64?
Sorry?
Mark. Minus 64.
Not minus 64. Where is minus 64?
Okay.
That is only 64. I have maybe mistakenly it would have come here.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, you can ask me some doubt in this. Suppose in case the value of mark is 74, what will be the output? See.
What, miss?
Wait 1 minute. Let me write in the whiteboard and explain. Look here. Marks. Uh, 50. Marks equal to 33. If marks greater than 70, see out. Excellent. Else, if marks greater than 60, see out. Good. Okay. Else if marks greater than 50, pass. Else see out, fail. Okay. Now tell me, what is the value of mark now? 33. Okay. 33 greater than 70. True or false? 33 greater than 70. True or false? False.
False.
Okay. So this will be not be. It will go to the next condition. So next one. 33 greater than 60. True or false?
False.
False. So this will not be output. It goes to the next condition. 33 greater than 50. True or false?
False.
False.
Huh?
False.
False. So what
False.
will be the, so since the condition is false, what will be the output now? This is also false. Everything is false. So what will be the output? What is there in the
False.
else?
Fail.
Fail.
Output will be fail. When everything becomes false, what is there in the else? The last one, fail. That will be the output. When every condition becomes false. Got my point? When everything is false, all the condition becomes false. So what is there in the else will be your output. Okay. Now, same way, just imagine now. Now the value of mark is 93. What will be the answer? It will come here. Marks is equal to 93. 93 greater than 70. Condition is true or false? Condition is
True.
true. So what will be the output?
Pass.
Huh?
Pass.
Why pass? Why it is going here? Condition is true. If 93
okay.
is greater than 70, condition is true. So what happens? What will be the output?
What this word?
Excellent.
Excellent. Okay.
Okay. Since this condition is true, it will see you imagine the example I have given. If the condition true, you are buying your product, you are buying from the shop. So condition is true. So this will be the output. It is not going to, when you like a product, you are going to buy in that shop. You are not going to check any other shop. Okay. So condition became true. This will be the output. You are not going to check anything else. It is going to stop until this. Got my point? If the condition is true, it will just stop until this. It is not going to check anything else. Okay.
Yes,
If condition is false only, it is going to the next condition. If condition becomes false only, it will go to the next else if, and this is true, this will be the answer. If false, it goes to the next. If true, this will be the answer. False, it goes to the next. You got the point how it goes? See, when it is true, you are buying the product. You like the product, you are buying it. When you don't like anything only, you are going to the next shop. Okay. If you like it, you are buying it. Otherwise, you are going to the next one. Understand the concept? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, in case here, the value of mark is 63. So what will be the output? 63. So 63 greater than 70. It is
Excellent.
false. False. So it will go to the next one. So now 63 greater than 60. What will be? It is true or
Good.
false? True. So what will be the output?
Good.
Understand the concept of if else if? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
This example before this, there are mistake.
Sorry?
Example before this.
What example before this?
There
What?
are. I don't understand.
What you don't understand?
Not this example.
You don't understand this example?
No, miss. Before this. Before this.
Before this what? This one you mean? This one?
I don't see, miss. Oh, wait. I don't see, miss.
You can see. You don't see
Yes,
means what I
yes,
can do.
yes,
I'm sharing
yes.
the screen. When did you join the class?
Miss, he'll save. True, not false, maybe.
What you're talking, yeah? Please make it clear. What you're talking? I don't understand what you're talking. What?
Yes, this, miss.
What is the problem
Before.
here?
Not false, true.
What not false? What answer is 64?
This
Yes.
number is good.
Okay,
No,
number is 64. 64 greater than 90. True or false?
False.
false.
False. So it goes to the next. 64 greater than 60. It is true or false?
True.
Okay, true. So what will be the answer then?
Good.
Good.
Oh, previously we said average.
Yes, before this, take
Okay. Got it. Maybe mistakenly done. Yes, dear. You are right. Marks greater than 60. So this is true. This will be the answer. No, I was explaining with different numbers so that you will understand. No, this example is okay. Now, supposing here, if it is 54, then what will happen? I was explaining like that. 54. If the answer 54 means, this will be, what will be the output? 54 means. This is false. 54 greater than 60 is false. 54 greater than 50 is
true.
true, right? True or false?
True.
Really? 54 greater than 50? So what will be the answer?
Every.
Okay. Clear? Understand this kind of if else if? Okay.
Yes.
This is all about if else if. And the last one, we are moving on to the last thing. This is called the switch statement. Okay. This is very easy actually. Okay. When you listen, it will be very easy. Okay. When it comes to switch statement, let me just give you some example. I'll write it in the whiteboard and tell you. Okay. Int a is equal to 1. Switch a case 0. Case 1. Okay, listen carefully. There is some kanun for the switch statement. Okay, So how does the switch statement work? Switch expression is evaluated only once, okay? And there is some case statement. In a switch case, okay, in a switch case, you will have some case statement, case 0 or some case statement you will have, okay, case and break. Then you will have some case and then break. Okay, so every case statement will have a break or it may not have a break. Okay, but main thing which is important thing is there is a default. At the end you will have something called default statement. This default statement will not have a break statement. Okay, the break statement is not required for the default, but for the case you can have a break, you don't want to have a break, not a problem. But default statement will not have any break statement. Okay, so this is optional. So this thing should not be there in the default statement. Okay, so that is the main thing. There is no break statement required for the default statement. Okay, this is all about the switch. Okay, when it comes to switch statement, look at this example. I'll give you an example here. Okay, now int day is equal to 3. Switch day. What is the value of day now? Day is, what is the value of day?
3.
3. Okay, so what happens when it comes to switch statement? It will check with the case. This case 1, here the value of day is 3. So 1 and 3, is it equal? 1 and 3, is it equal?
No.
This case
No.
1 and 3, is it equal? No, so that's not matching. So it will not go here. There is a break. It goes to the next case. Now here case 2 and here case, what is the value of D here for us? 3. Okay, so 2 and 3, is it equal?
No.
No, so it will not go here and it goes to the, there is a break, so goes to the next case. So case 3 and here the day value was 3. So is it equal now?
Yes. Equal.
Yes. So
Yes.
what is given here? What is there? The C out
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Understand? So what happens? This switch statement, it will check with the cases which is equal, that will be the answer. Okay, now supposing here, I'll give that example. Now here, what is the value of A now? A is 1. So switch 1. K0 1, is it equal? No.
No.
Not equal.
So break. So go to the next one. Case 1, switch 1, is it equal?
Yes.
Yes.
So what will be the output now?
Blue.
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 Okay. Supposing it is the value here is 0. That means what will be the answer?
Red.
0 will be
Red.
here. So case 0 and this 0 is equal. So the answer will be red.
Red.
Supposing here I have the value is 3. So what will be the answer? 0, 3. It's not equal. Break goes to the next case. 1 and 3 not equal. So goes to break, go to the next one. There is no case, there is default. What is there in the default?
Invalid.
Invalid. So the output will be invalid.
Mhm.
Understand how it works? Which one is matching? It just checks. If nothing is matching, it what is there in the default, it will print that value. Got my point?
Yes, miss.
Yes, that's the thing. Okay. And one more thing, just make it sure. There is break. Okay. If break, since it is break, it will print only red. For example, if 0 means it prints only red because there is break. It is not going to check any cases. That's it. Okay. Now I'll just give you one more example.
Miss, if there is 4.
Huh?
If there is 4.
4. If 4 means also invalid. 4 or
Invalid.
5 or 6, anything, it will be invalid. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, I'll give you one example now so that you will get a clear idea. Okay. Why this is writing very big? So I want to write something else. Int a is equal to 2. Switch a k0 English. Case 1. Arabic. Okay. One second, another one also I'll write. Boys, are you all listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Because why I'm writing this so that you will get some idea. Okay, I want someone to tell me what will be the answer for this one and this one. Okay, so what will be the output for this one? Int a is 2. Okay, so since it is 2, case 0, is it equal? What will be the output for this?
No.
What will be the output? No English. So break goes to the next case 1 and 2. Is it equal?
No
No.
break.
So break it. So go to the next case. Case 2 is 2. So what will be the answer?
French.
French. So the output will be French. How about this one? Case A is 1. So here 0 and 1. Is it equal?
No.
No. Goes to the next case. Case 1 and 1. Is it equal?
Yes.
Yes. So what it will print?
2.
TWO2. Okay. How about, is there any break here?
Yes.
Where is the break? Where is the break here?
0. Cause 0 is break. Was break.
No. You don't talk about the break. Don't look at the 0. What is the case given here? Case is
1.
1. So you are going to this case only. You are not going to this case 0. Okay. Case is 1. See out, it is printing 2. But is there any break here?
No.
No break. So what happens? Since there is no break, it prints 2, goes to the next case 3 and goes to the default. So 2, 3, invalid. Will be your output. Understand? Since why it is printing only French? Because there is a break. If break is there, it will just stop it. It is not going to check any other cases. Since there is no break, it prints all the options. Understand how it works?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay. Now supposing here, it is like this. Okay. And here I'm giving the value of A is 1. So, oops, sorry. Now the value of A is 1. What will be the output? Tell me. The value of A is 1. What will be the output? A is 1. So 0, 1 not equal, 1, 1 equal. So what will be the output?
Arabic, French.
Arabic, and because there is no break, so it will print French. Because here break, it is not going to the default. The output will be Arabic and French. Understand how if break is there and how the break is not there. Okay. If break is there, it will just stop it. It is not going to the next case. Got the point of the switch case statement?
Yes, miss.
Is it easy?
It's easy.
So Thursday we will do some more revision. I will give you some more examples of this statement so that you will get a good idea about it. Okay. Okay. I have recorded actually so that the absent students, they can just have a look on it. Who joined the class? Who's that? Mar? Hello, who's that? When did you join the class?
Amar, he